Welcome back to Tech for Good, where I'm meeting remarkable individuals who are using technology to help strengthen communities. Our last story is about how social media has helped people find peace in a pandemic.
This is a place with rich and varied nature. I wake up in the morning and open my window. It all embraces me. I guess that's the basis of my painting and the value of my work.
Harumichi Shibasaki has been capturing the beauty of the Chiba countryside in East Japan since his childhood.
I was born and raised here. My family were rice farmers, and we were living a poor peasant life.
For most of his adulthood, he has enjoyed a career teaching art to small groups and exhibiting his work at local venues. It wasn't until 2016, as his 70th birthday approached, that he decided to unleash his talents on a bigger scale via social media. This is his most popular post, a watercolor tutorial on painting a tree, amassing more than 5 million views worldwide. Shibasaki's teaching style is both encouraging and soothing, as my daughter and I discovered when we attempted the lesson ourselves.
It's starting to look tree-ish.
Yeah.
Why do you think your online tutorials are so popular?
Everyone liked drawing when they were little children. But I'd like them to remember the pleasure and joy of painting and the fun of self-expression again. I believe that's my job.
This is so fun.
So this is what my daughter did, and then this is what I did. What do you think?
Wow.
They are so similar that it's hard to tell mothers from daughters.
Alone with his camera equipment and the stray kitten he rescued a few weeks ago, Shibasaki does 90% of the video production by himself at the age of 73.
There is a fighting spirit surging up within me to do creative things in order not to be left behind young people.
Social media allows the artist to broadcast to an international audience.
As I always say, I believe that pictures have no borders, and I suppose my success on YouTube proved it.
The video sharing platform reports that the artist has amassed millions of views and more than 700,000 subscribers. Social broadcasting during a global pandemic has brought a boost to Shibasaki's success as people seek activities to do while under lockdown.
I'd especially like to contribute to people by painting to keep their peace of mind during this pandemic. That's my aim. They give me responses such as, "You gave me the power to live today," or "You helped me forget my pain."
Shibasaki may be an unlikely social media star, but he has painted his way into the living rooms of young and old at a time when they need him most.
I hope to play a role not only in making these videos to improve people's watercolor skills, but in healing people's hearts through painting too.
All of my guests have shown us how technology has the power to transform lives and to create solidarity. Is your prosthetic arm, the PJ prosthesis, a tech for good?
I think, if you design affordable and if you make it open source so it's available to anyone in the world, it's definitely a tech for good.
Freestyle Libre is a tech for good because now I feel better. I know that I have the power in my hands to feel good, and when you have a disease, it's important to have a technology to rely on.
I mean, it's accessible for everybody. The Subpack allows all people to really connect and enjoy and feel music. It's definitely a tech for good.
Well, I showed my gloves, I explained everything. But Kristie, I would like to do something to play for you, okay?
Yes, please.
Okay.